Today, we will talk about the ultimate guide to earning money online. Top 10 strategies revealed. The ability to make money online has created a universe of possibilities in the current digital era. The potential for financial success is there whether you want to create a fully fledged internet business or just augment your current income. We reveal the most effective ways and techniques for making money online in this thorough book. We've painstakingly compiled a list of 10 strategies that have been tried and true and are shown to be trustworthy sources of internet revenue. 1. Freelancing. How to offer your skills effectively. Learn the power of freelancing and how it can open up a world of earning possibilities. We examine websites that link independent contractors with clients all over the world. We look at talents that are in demand, and we offer advice on how to launch a successful freelance career. 2. Blogging. Turning a passion for money. Learn the craft of blogging and how to use your interests and knowledge to make money. We assist you in developing interesting material, drawing in readers, and generating income from your blog through a variety of channels, such as advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. 3. E-commerce. Creating a successful online store. Discover the strategies used by profitable e-commerce businesses. We guide you through the process of creating an online store, locating products, optimizing your website for conversions, and putting in place successful marketing techniques to increase sales and profitability. 4. Online surveys and market research. Making opinions into dollars. Discover the world of online market research and surveys to find out how you may earn money by giving your opinion. We offer information on reliable survey sites, practical advice for increasing your profits, and methods for taking part in market research surveys. Online surveys or testing companies are always looking for feedback on their products or services, and they're willing to pay for it. You can participate in online surveys or user testing for companies like User Testing or Swagbucks and earn money for your opinions. Online surveys are an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. 5. Digital product creation. Converting judgments into money. Learn about the world of online surveys and market research to see how you may get paid for sharing your opinion. We provide details on reputable survey sites, helpful suggestions for boosting your revenues, and instructions on how to participate in market research surveys. 6. Affiliate marketing. Utilizing the influence of recommendations. Learn how to promote other people's goods and services to earn commissions as you explore the lucrative world of affiliate marketing. We examine successful affiliate marketing tactics, offer advice on picking the best affiliate networks, and divulge suggestions for increasing your earnings. 7. Stock market trading and investments. Making money on the financial markets. Explore the world of investing and trading on the stock market. We offer guidance for limiting risks and optimizing returns in the world of online trading and investment opportunities. We also demystify the fundamentals of investing. 8. Online coaching and consulting. Knowledge exchange for profit. By using your knowledge to benefit others, you can maximize the potential of online coaching and consulting. We assist you in setting up a coaching or consulting firm, luring clients, and providing value through online sessions. 9. Dropshipping. How to run a low-risk online retail business. Discover dropshipping, a business strategy that enables you to sell things without maintaining inventory. We outline the principles of dropshipping, offer advice on locating dependable suppliers, and offer guidelines for managing a prosperous dropshipping business. 10. Virtual assistant services. Remotely supporting businesses. Find out how to market your abilities to companies around the world and the demand for virtual assistant services. We give information on the duties and responsibilities of virtual assistants, as well as advice on how to obtain clients and build a lucrative career as one. Conclusion. For those willing to investigate the numerous alternatives accessible, earning money online is no longer just a distant fantasy, but a concrete reality. We have provided you with 10 tried and true strategies to get your online income adventure off to a flying start in this thorough guide. Always keep in mind that success in the online world demands commitment, persistence, and a readiness to change. Take advantage of the opportunity, put what you've learned to use, and start down the path of digital financial independence. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.